The Miller AirCore harness promises the ultimate combination of comfort, safety and performance for workers in construction and maintenance, scaffolding and warehousing. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. The AirCore design combines the latest breathable open core padding technology with lightweight aluminium hardware and Duraflex stretchable webbing. This lightweight harness reduces fatigue and improves productivity in a comfortable fit, and it's assured with quick operating cam buckles on the shoulder straps that make vertical webbing adjustments easier than other harnesses. It features heavy-duty quick connect chest buckles that provide added security and make it easy to don and take off. And there are both frontal D-ring and a stand-up rear fall arrest D-ring with fall indicator that provides safety and easy access to the user. You can find out more by visiting all the W's, honeywellsafety.com, or calling Honeywell Safety Products on 1300 139 166. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.